Today, me and my friends attempt to win Bloons Tower Defense 6 with only using the monkey sub. Our goal is to reach round 100 and defeat the BAD. Will we be able to do it? Keep watching to find out.
Alright, monkey sub only.
Alright.
I do love me. Monkey subs only challenge.
So we need to head, if we're gonna make it to round 100, we're gonna need a battle plan. So I'll just place mine.
Gum challenge.
No, that's not what's happening right now. So what should I?
I'll go for the bottom. I'll go for the bottom tier. I'm going for the bottom tier.
We need top tier. That's one thing that's necessary.
Alright, I'm gonna go for middle tier.
Alright, then I guess I'll go for top. Uh-oh, guys, I'm not gonna be able to pop balloons soon.
Easy, fine.
Oh yeah. You're the one in front.
Yep.
You should have been a different. You should be a different spot.
No, because I need to be here so you guys can see camos.
Oh, that's true. That's true. That's true.
Guys, don't worry, I'll get rid of the coconut tree, so don't worry, guys.
I don't think that's...
It's not a great move.
Yeah, I
No,
feel like
guys.
that may or may not be a waste of money and
Guys.
time.
It's a good investment.
I mean,
You're submerged, girl.
And that, yeah, I'm submerged.
Let's go.
I mean, hey Colin, can the tree, the monkey sub go on land?
If it evolves.
Evolve your monkey sub to go on land, and then we'll talk about removing the tree.
Maybe
a
the,
little bit. Bet. They're getting a little bit farther than I'd like to.
Yeah, that's why we need the plutonium reactor.
Yeah.
Guys, if you lend me your energy, I could get it.
we don't need you're almost there. We can get it in a little second. We're not that far yet. We'll be fine.
There you go.
Almost.
Oh crap.
Oh gosh, maybe not.
Yeah,
Oh, we're good.
wow.
We're good.
we are good, yeah. Wait, I can get it.
Lead balloons? Easy.
Yes.
Alright, nice.
Oh, that's actually popping?
Yeah,
Oh, okay, nice.
That's doing a lot more than I thought it was.
Yeah, I wasn't joking when I said incinerates everything in its path. So where should I check camo pop balloons? I don't think that it does anything for leads.
Well then, yeah, get the middle tier. I think.
Yeah, I'll get the
Will
middle
that
tier.
work? Will that actually still
Oh,
Yes, it
yeah,
does.
Oh yeah, there you go. Yep. Heat tipped, whatever.
Whatever that is.
Heat tipped,
Radar.
whatever. I don't know what it's supposed to be.
Heat tipped radar. Yes. That
Triple
makes
guns.
sense.
Nice. Alright, we're kind of popping off right now, honestly.
You are spitting. Like, actually. Seagull.
God, I need 13,000 for the first strike capability. But that'll only be a real problem when we get BFBs and stuff.
Middle tier is really expensive.
Yeah.
And now I got armor.
Oh wait, no, that's
piercing darts.
Colin's. Oh wait, Colin and what the freak, Marcus?
Yeah, bro,
I'm a true captain now.
you're just kind of going off right now.
You're literally destroying everything. Why are we here? You just have like your own army just over here. Like, well, why are we here? We could really just go get a sandwich.
Nice.
Another layer to the monkey sub.
We have an actual
More
incinerator.
sub. I'm making a furnace.
They just aren't going through. They just stop right there.
Yeah, I'm making a furnace, man.
That's actually ridiculous.
Donate to the furnace.
Oh,
No, you need to keep saving up for your first strike capability.
I mean, Markets is
Yeah, getting a
it
little
has,
bit
like,
of pop,
yeah, it
a
has,
tiny
like-
bit.
I'm pretty sure it has more than all of our bots combined.
Yeah, and I don't really understand how.
And it just shoots really fast.
Told you, man. Bottom tier is the way to go.
Bottom tier is the way to go here.
I'm trying to get my furnace to be as powerful as your one monkey, but I can't.
Man, your furnace has quite a bit of pops, like 6,000 all combined.
Yeah, that's all of them combined. His singular is 16,000.
Yeah. Easy, bro. Don't worry, guys. I'm gonna get rid of the trees pretty soon. Then,
You don't.
Then we'll be all good.
Well, no,
I
but
can get rid
like
of them. I can get rid of
you
them.
haven't.
Oh, you wanna
no,
you wanna get rid of the trees?
Yeah, yeah. I'll
Oh,
really
yeah.
Don't worry about it. It's all good. Okay?
You. Why?
I got it.
Phew, bro. Oh man. Oh,
There's no need.
Thanks for the investment, man.
There was no need. There was no necessity. Why?
Alright, we got this.
Bro, DFB taken down almost instantly. Easy.
Nice.
Oh man. I mean, what?
Why did you
Clearly,
get rid of the
he's the pop
trees?
master. He's the pop master. He knows what he's doing.
It's
I mean, you don't question the pot master.
Yeah,
I know what I'm doing.
Yeah, he knows what he's doing.
Yeah, deforestation for fun. I know what he's doing.
Yeah.
In the middle of the ocean, bro.
Yeah.
Listen, man.
That's like a 3x3 freaking plot of land. By like 3 foot, bro.
Yeah, bro, the animals can need that, bro.
What animals? Where?
Really monkeys.
Yeah, I guess monkeys, but these monkeys.
Nothing living here is gonna live.
Yeah, they
at all.
have submarines. I think the monkeys have enough already.
Yeah.
Alright, guys.
Monkey.
Bro, you have 5 plutonium reactors just parked on the entrance.
Just listen, man.
What do multiple of these do? Are they like?
I don't know. Alright, guys, I have my first strike capability.
Oh, nice.
And we might need to use it because we're getting past the furnace.
Oh wow, actually, yeah, you need to start placing other things.
Yeah.
Like, what else
Like-
exists?
Freaking the bottom tier.
Yeah, bottom tiers, man.
Oh yeah, bottom tier. Alright, after I get this last
Yeah, imagine we
plutonium
just have
reactor.
multiple of what Marcus has. I mean, they're not that expensive.
Yeah, they're pretty cheap, honestly.
We're about to have 3 armor-piercing darts.
Alright, I guess.
I suppose you won't have 5 plutonium reactors. I suppose.
We do not need this.
Yeah, I suppose. Like, bro.
I just like my furnace, bro. You ain't got a bullet before.
Yeah, 5 of them. I don't think you need 5 of them. I think see, look at the armor-piercing darts. They're not even getting to the furnace.
Listen, bro.
I think we found the objectively superior thing.
I just want my furnace, bro. You ain't gotta bully me like that.
We're just making sure you're making the right financial investments here.
And I'm working on it. I'm working on making the right financial decisions. See him in the back.
I mean,
Balloon Tower Defense 6 is a lifestyle, bro. You have to adapt to it.
yeah.
And I am adapting by
Gotta go
making my
across with the
furnace
lifestyle.
Yeah.
literal fire.
Literally, God. I've done so
I'm
many
adapting
terrible
by
things.
making
I've done
fire
so
in
many
water.
terrible things to learn how to play this game. You would not believe it, man.
Listen, man, I am adapting. I'm just adapting by putting fire in water.
Fair enough. You know what? Yeah, buy more. Buy more.
I'm not going to.
Yeah.
'Cause
You've come to your senses.
You can sell one of these freaking monkeys, these bones in the front.
no, that's my furnace.
It doesn't do crap anymore.
Where I cook my food. And freaking nuclear radiation.
I don't know,
Why do you
man.
think I look like this?
This only does so much.
Yeah, actually, all of these guys have freaking. Wait, no, this guy has 15,000.
Yeah,
This one has
15,000
14,000.
when the one I made like 5 minutes ago has over triple that.
Listen, man. If it wasn't for mine,
Come
you
on,
couldn't see
bro.
camo.
Well, yeah, we can keep one. Yeah, okay, whatever.
Yeah.
Just keep.
You should try and get another middle tier.
Oh yeah, another middle tier.
We could use like 2 of those. That'd be useful.
I'm trying to see which one gets the most coverage across the map, so I don't.
Well, we have advanced intel.
It feels so awful selling my furnace.
It's fine. We're still popping off. Jeez, oh my God, it's gonna gone in an instant. Bro, that first right capability just wipes it out. Just all Moab class balloons.
Yeah, it does work. Wait, Con, you gotta upgrade your thing on the right.
Oh right, yeah. First right capability is just gonna take all those out.
I hate to admit it, but my monkey sub.
Oh yeah, you realize your furnace
is getting
is
more than everything.
Wait, guys, can I have some? I need some money. Can I get some cash?
Oh yeah, sure. Well, what do you?
Alright, that's enough. Alright, I got the sub commander.
Let's go.
Adds extra pierce and damage to commander and all subs in its radius.
In its radius, that's kind of the issue.
It's not a big radius.
Yeah, there's only 3 inside of its radius, but
to commander, it just gives buffs to everything around it. That's kind of good, I guess.
yeah, I'll just
Spam everything in here.
Yeah. It's not cheating. It's just.
It's strategy.
Look how many darts. Oh my God, bro. They never said it was gonna be easy.
He's literal.
They never said it was gonna be easy popping these balloons.
This job well done. Bro.
We should get another middle tier, you think?
Yeah, we probably should.
So I put it in the radius or just like make it its own thing?
Put it in the radius. I can sell this. Oh, never mind. I was gonna sell it, but
Yeah, DDTs are gonna come soon, and that thing is definitely gonna.
Wait, should I make it a middle bottom or middle top? Middle top, probably.
Middle top.
Yeah, middle top for advanced intel.
Well, actually, the missile it already doesn't already seek out Moabs anyway.
I don't know.
It does, but what about the other below?
Well, I guess we lost.
Well.
Well,
Holy crap! Wait, those DDTs
we died.
were insane. What?
We needed more of the middle tier.
Oh my God! We didn't have enough explosive power. We didn't have anything to blow things up.
Whoa.
Oh, we got too many armor-piercing darts.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
I was saying we should have got more middle tiers.
Yeah, we definitely should have gotten more middle tiers.
Personally, I blame the lack of a furnace.